Welcome to our channel Life Insights. This time we have come up with the question, what is the role of self-discipline in spirituality? Whether self-discipline will help us as far as spiritual life is concerned. Generally we think that spiritual life needs enormous discipline, self-discipline. That is our general thinking. But self-discipline will not give us any goodness in life. Let us illustrate this one by an incident. A disciple goes to a Zen master and says he wants to learn the secret of life through him. Then the master asks what kind of discipline he is in need of. He says he wants to follow so many discipline as has been prescribed. The master instructs him to follow all those discipline. The disciple follows those discipline for so many days. One day he finds the master rubbing two bricks with each other. Then the disciple asks what the master is being involved with. The master says he is rubbing the two bricks so that he will get a mirror. Then the disciple says, how it is possible? It is self-evident that a mirror cannot be formed out of rubbing two bricks with each other. Then the master says, that's what you are being involved with. You are following so many discipline, self-discipline, controlling your mind, doing pujas, doing rituals, being involved with so many ceremonies. This is what all you are doing. So, self-discipline will not lead us to goodness in life, because life has a natural flow. We have to understand this natural flow. We cannot impose ourselves with so much heavy discipline. In today's context, we will have another one life example. All the terrorists are forcing people to conform to their method of outlook. They give lots of dress codes, how to pray, how to worship. They force the people to follow all those discipline. But the general people don't like those discipline. They very easily understand these are all heavy on them. Nobody is ready to follow those discipline, because those discipline are mechanical. We cannot shape our mind so that real spirituality will be born. Anybody can understand this. Putting the mind under pressure will not yield any result, because already we have got life. Life is not mechanical. We cannot approach life through mechanical means and methods. It is not like learning mathematics. Any subject can be learned with a particular discipline, but the secrets of spirituality cannot be learned through self-discipline. Self is what truth is. We have been given the truth already. We are with that always. We think that through self-discipline we will progress each and every day. But self-discipline will not bring goodness to our life. It is everyday fact. People are trying and trying. They are putting lots of efforts into this. So many gurus are offering so many mantras, prayers, methods, etc. Lots of money is involved in this process. Therefore, spirituality has become like a business. But spirituality is very simple. It is quite natural. It is here and now. It is with our life. No effort is needed. Simply observing our own mind is enough. To observe our own mind, much effort is not needed. All the efforts are mechanical. Mechanical efforts will bring only mechanical aspect of life. But life is not mechanical. It has infinite dimensions. So to understand the infinite dimensions of life, we have to be very alert. We must have a silent mind. Having a silent mind is what meditation is. So meditation is a non-mechanical process. It is simply observation. Anybody can understand what is observation is. Observation will reveal all the secrets of life. Any kind of set patterns of life will not reveal the truth. So self-discipline as far as spiritual life is concerned is meaningless. Once again we will be coming up with another one video explaining another one aspect of life.